How to log in to ESPN Fantasy Football. So there are different ways which you can use to log in to ESPN Fantasy Football. You can either use your app or you can use any external website. I'm gonna show you how to log in from website. Open any of your preferred web browser, it really doesn't matter. Now go to the search bar on the top and type in ESPN Fantasy Football. Once you type that in, scroll down and find espn.com. This is right here, so simply click on it. Once you do that, then you will land to the official website. In your official website, at the top right corner, you will see scores, and right beside that option, you will see a profile icon. If you click on the profile icon, you will land to the sign up or login page. Now since the app is available on my device, it's directly opening the app. So I'm just gonna go back to my web. If you don't have the app installed prior, then you will not face this problem. I'm gonna try again and go to the login option at the very bottom. You should also land to this kind of interface. Now here, type in your email. If you are new here, then you will need to type in your first name, last name and create a password. If you already have an account, then you can simply type in your password and get in. So that's all for today. Thank you.